The page feature, available on courses, plans, and up, is a great way to add static content to your Mighty network. Think of it like a standalone web page. In any space, just go to the upper right corner, and you can see in the list of space features, page. Just flip it on. And you'll notice by default, its visibility is hidden, and you can have some more management options here below. But let's save it. And you'll notice now, here's a new page option. It's empty for now. When I'm ready to finish editing it, I can flip it to visible, but for now it's edited. And you'll see here I can add a title. Here's my title, and then I can add text, etc., and add any media that I want. So photos, videos, files, video links if you use something like YouTube or Vimeo, or you can use one of our thousands of supported embeds. For now, I'll choose a photo. And you have options with photos as well. You can keep them standard width like this, or you can go full width. So you have some options. You can edit above and below, very similar to our articles feature.